what exactly was going on with me in that last game was because new things kept spawning in. Because I was like,
The
oh,
answer kept changing.
because I was like, it's a door, it's a slime, it's a coil head. Oh God.
Oh my god.
Yeah, it was rough.
Nice.
Second try, baby.
Ready.
All right, gotta get over there.
Thank you. Alright. Okay.
Ooh.
Okay. We can work with this.
Yeah, that's recoverable.
Not if I keep making stupid mistakes.
Oh God. What the fuck?
What just happened?
I, I don't know.
No!
What? You're going somewhere, buddy. I'm gonna stay on this side of the
Driving. I'm
fence.
driving.
You know, I'm gonna stay over here, so I'm gonna stay on top of the fence so I don't get like bamboozled. Oh, I can fall through the fence.
Could you actually fill me up real quick so I don't
Yeah.
have to get out of the car? Thank you.
Oh, it makes different sounds for like
Yeah.
health versus. Excellent.
Alright, thank you. You should definitely get the hell away. Great.
It's so weird how that just works.
I just died.
I could tell.
That's right. I forgot you have a tell.
I want to land on top of the robot real quick. Ow, what the fuck? I'm gonna try and land on top of the robot.
I wonder if you can get it activated if you like stab it or something.
Ooh, let's find out. Ooh, that's a disgusting sound though. Oh, I'm on top of it now.
Oh my god, it's amazing.
I kind of want to know what happens like once once the bird activates.
Oh my well.
I can't reach it. Oh, I can here.
Worth a shot, I guess.
Yeah. Also, can we just appreciate the dump truck that this shadow has? Like, trying to. Oh my god! Oh my god!
Wasted no time.
Jesus. That was so chaotic.